see at all anything? Or I'm off camera. If you haven't seen anything, if I am on camera and you haven't seen anything, can you like Nene just like refresh your app? If you can refresh your app, then it should able to. I'm so in love with this. So now I'm gonna put the beads in there. You can put any colors. It doesn't have to be the beads. You know, it just happened that I like the beads in there. Oh my god, so everyone, I'm so into this. I'm sorry if I miss any of your comments. I gotta catch up with y'all. All right, it's great. So this one I'm gonna flash clear as well because I forgot to put the center. And all right, so I create like, I don't necessarily use all of them. Even like if you get to sell 2 of this color, like 1 flower and 1 crystal jar, the baby mix jar, you're gonna have so much fun with this, and then it will cover you at least 10 nails. If I'm not saying it wrong, I think it's at least 10 nails. Each nail you create, because there's so many items in there. I mean, so many stuff in there, like beads, pearls, crystals. Like, doesn't matter. You can play so much with this. So I'm gonna move it off from our camera so then we can put some nails in here so it doesn't look too busy. It's so beautiful. You gotta see it in person. So I got a few minutes left. Oh no. Okay. So look at that. We did a lot going on today. I'm so in love with this. Precision glue next for all of them. And this will double secure all of our crystals. Here you go. Laurie, do you do one-on-one classes? Yes, Laurie, please stay tuned. We are preparing it for our classes, hosting it in our headquarters. We can take it up to 10 students at the class or one-on-one, or some of our classes go up to 30 students. So I'm excited.
Oh, Halloween charm.
Yeah, we do have a Halloween charms. We do have it on it, and it's all the charms and everything. It was 20% off. So let's go into our precision glue. Is the amazing is one of my bestie on my size. I can't imagine it with crystal placement. I could make it this far without this guy because it's my bestie on the size. I do not only like be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have more than just 1 bottle, but I'm using them all. And all different details. So right now I'm doing it. You don't have to squeeze out when you don't need to, which is I say when you do a little exam, you feel it's scratchy, then you're going to squeeze it in. But if you feel really like smooth and slick already, you don't necessarily needed it because it's already sealed so well with the top coat and condensed glue gels. That how powerful of the condensed glue gel and the top coat together. Clear this one for 60 seconds. Move on to the second one. This is a perfect for all of you who doing a short nail for clients. I'm really in love with this. I don't know, I want a lot. You know what? I think with the background of blast of colors, it really complements your crystal placement. You know, unless you want just a little bit of the shimmery, like say for instance, if your clients have more conservative, your clients don't want too much bling going on, absolutely, you can do it. I'm going to seal my bar and then the pearls. It doesn't affect the pearls at all. Actually, protect the pearls, but I'm not going to do it on the top of my crystals or neons. Clear this one for 60 seconds. So if the client's really conservative, this one is already done with the precision glue. And you can't absolutely add no glitters underneath. You can just do flowers. And the clients don't want to do like 3D flowers. You have a flat back, so then your baby mixture is the way to go. If you all want to do, I feel like it's so much fun. It's like a wine tasting, but instead of wine tasting, we're crystal tasting. So if you like start playing with the game with this, added on services for the clients, and this is some of the really awesome way to go and plays with so many different fun crystal. That's one thing that is one of really, how do I say, is one of an our goal to create a really good, affordable qualities, products, and custom for all of you. So this is one of the things that we are promised that we're doing it when we hit to like 60,000. So stay tuned for 70,000, what it's gonna bring us to, because we're so excited. And we try the best to bring the best to you and support you as much as possible. That's on a third nails? That's on the last nail. Is this the last nail?
The last one. No, that's second to last.
Okay, so what is this? Are we doing all 4 nails? You give me so many and
All four. So
I did
these
all
two
4
are
now.
done. These two, the third one, that should be the last one.
Did
But
I
you-
do
that
that?
you never did.
Oh, okay.
I think because you placed something with it, so the order a little bit.
Okay,
weird.
so good. Sorry. So I'm going to, sorry, Instagram, Facebook. Now I'm going to between this edges right there. You feel the gap there. Do not worry because we are going to seal this babies completely. But I already did that one, did I?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I get a little bit confused and I just grab whatever is on my side. So I'm going to protect it and by double seals, double secure. So I'm going to seal, do not seals on the crystal, but pearls, charm, chains, metal art, please feel free to do because it protect it from tarnish. I did that on all my charm too. Sometimes I forget and you can tell that right away. Precision glue is the best. It's sealed completely and it's even work better than is top coat. Seal and it double secure. All right, here you go. Cure this one for 60 seconds. And you can absolutely check it again and then make sure that if still catching on client's hair or their fabric, you can feel free to coat it again, to seal it again. Here you go, everyone. And then whole tray, I spilled some on my tray, so sorry. That is, but here is just recap quick. I think my nail just poking it, so this is few of them. So you can see 24 total of like 12 of flowers, collections of funds. It's so beautiful. It looks nothing to compare if you see in person. You were really enjoying it. I was so wow when I'm working with this. I said wow. So you know, even you get one item, just check it out yourself. This is like, it's only 10, so there are totally 24 of them. So let me see which one to go first. Now I'm gonna confuse myself. One, oh hold on, no. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. All right, I'm sorry if I miss anything from Instagram.